Hey you! Hey there, hopefully you had an awesome day. My name is Gunnars, and as one of ZHIYUN's YouTube hosts, I'm gonna be posting new dope exclusive content here on ZHIYUN's channel every month from now on. Make sure to subscribe and maybe even hit the bell icon so you would be the first one to be notified when I release new dope content. Without any further ado, today we're gonna be talking about some really deep stuff. How do I keep myself motivated as a filmmaker even in these rough times? Let the story begin. Hey man. I haven't really been feeling so good lately. I think I need to get away from this environment for a couple of days, recharge myself a bit, get my stress levels lower and stuff. Anyway, I really hope you had an awesome day. I'm going off now. Sometimes I have these moments where I feel stuck and demotivated, even though I have a lot of stuff to do. One thing I've definitely learned over the years is that in these situations, you need to give yourself some space and time to think. And in my opinion, the best environment to do so is in nature, because it's just you, your gear, and peace and quiet. If you like this video, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to ZHIYUN's YouTube channel and maybe even check out my Dream Duo Films channel. If you have the time, I would really appreciate it. My name is Gunnars. You can just call me the G-Man because no one knows how to pronounce my name anyway. And yeah, what can I say? See you next month. Peace out.